Hello everyone, it's Malia. Welcome back. I'm back with another nature vlog, but not just any nature vlog. I am going backpacking for the very first time in my life. And honestly, I never thought that I would ever be saying those words because she was not a nature girly growing up. She is now. All credit goes to Russ. It's Labor Day weekend and we didn't really have any plans for the long weekend. Usually we choose to go camping during weekends like this, but in all honesty, this was actually kind of my idea. I have been very interested and inclined to try backpacking for the first time, mainly because ever since we've been dating, Russ has always been a nature boy. He has been backpacking for years, and throughout the course of our relationship, he would always go off every few weekends and would just backpack around NorCal. It's just one of the hobbies that him and his friends enjoy doing, and every time he would come back, he would just show me all the pictures of everything they would do. And lately, the last few months, I have kind of just been thinking like, maybe I should try it. And honestly, I'm actually really excited. I don't think I'm nervous at all. I think the only thing that I'm nervous about is when I have to use the bathroom. I definitely have had my fair share in experiences for popping squat to pee. I don't know about the other ones. So that is my biggest concern. But thinking about the actual hike that we have to do and having to set up camp and, sleep in a smaller tent than what I'm used to and kind of, not have the luxuries of being at an actual official campsite, I'm not too worried about that. But I really am looking forward to it, mainly because once he took me camping for the first time, and we've honestly done a good couple camping trips the past few years, I've honestly just really enjoyed being outside and being in nature and touching grass. And this is a very new era for me, mainly because growing up, outdoor activities was not a thing for me and my parents. I think mainly because we just didn't really know how to camp and do all of those nature things. I've learned about myself that I genuinely really enjoy being outdoors and camping. I love the scenery, I love nature, and I also just love being disconnected for the most part, just not having any reason to be on my phone, no notifications coming in, no internet for me to doom scroll or anything. So I actually genuinely really enjoy being disconnected. I know you can do it on your own, but we all know that's a very hard thing to do on your own. So being forced to disconnect is honestly not as bad as it seems. It's actually very refreshing. So what the trip is going to look like, we are going with our friends Chaidy and Tracy, and I'm really excited because it's actually both me and Tracy's first time backpacking. So I'm glad they're coming and that I can endure this experience for the first time with someone else. I believe we're going to be somewhere near Yosemite. The actual hike from the trailhead up to the site we're going to set up camp, I believe, is around a 2 to 3 hour hike. I feel like it'll be more on the 3 hour end because I'm going to take it as slow as I can and not rush and just pace myself so that I survive and am not dying on the hike. And we're actually only going to be there for one night. And originally we wanted to go 2 days, but I do think one night will work out better in our favor, mainly because since it's me and Tracy's first time, I think this will be a good just like chill intro, just in case by the first and only day we're already like, get us out of here. We already packed the bags. Unfortunately, I did not film too much about what we packed, so I'll show a few clips. But we lucked out and didn't really have to buy too many new supplies for me. Luckily, I was able to borrow a lot of supplies from my friend Jackie, and then we just had to buy all of the backpacking meals and food that we were gonna make, and also all the snacks. What's nice about backpacking is that you don't necessarily pack a lot, but then the downside is that you have to carry all of it. But luckily, with all of my clothes, some of the food, and everything else that I had to pack, my bag only weighs around 20 pounds. And I tried it on earlier and it doesn't feel too heavy. So I think I will be okay. I put my Labubu on it too. But that's pretty much it. I need to go now shower for the last time until Monday. Russ is already sleeping. I also need to sleep because we're going to head out and pick up our friends at 4 a.m. so that we can try to be at the trailhead around 7. And then we're off for my very first backpacking trip. I hope you can tell by my face that I am excited. This is very exciting, and I'm excited to bring you all along, and I hope I don't hate it at the end of this video. I don't think I will, though. I hope you enjoy my 1-day backpacking trip. Anyways, see you guys at 4 a.m. tomorrow.
Like you're having fun. You're not having fun.
I know.
There's a reason why I didn't use that backpack.
Yeah, it's like a single yakitori.
Pad thai with chicken.
Yummy.
Okay. What if you grab them the water? Oh, I didn't. Soy sauce, hand soap, dish soap, sesame oil, and salt, pepper, spatula.
Oh, you could use that for the.
Hey, there's some good. Tastes like Thailand. Sep Lai.
I don't think there's enough. Oh. No.
No, it's like
You got it, you got it, you got it.
There, I got it. Yeah, I'm okay.
What? Yeah, I'm not looking. I got you. Oh.
Just for the small log. Hello, so you want it like above the reef? Not, yeah, you're good.
We out here. God damn, chat. Look at that. That is a. Oh.
Man, where we at, man?
We out here in right in the middle of Yosemite Valley, right here. We not in the middle, but we on the left side. We not on the left side, but we like on the left, in the middle left, right.
Like right there.
Like right here though. But
Like if.
ladies are having fun. What? You guys hear? Almost took her pole from her.
Can you guys watch this? I'm gonna go.
Take the meat.
What is?
847. Be like Johnson.
What'd you say?
I don't wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper, and somehow you turn to a stranger. We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure that we're both on the same page. I don't want it to complicate. I know you're riding away. Is there room for us both on the same wave? Nothing breaks that clearly when there's love on the line. My best friend told me someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Oh, why would I? When you were barely even mine. Oh, why would I? I should've known from the start that you were a waste of an open bar towel, wiping my feet on the doormat. But there's so much of you that I just can't leave. Yeah, nothing breaks so clearly when there's love on the line. My best friend told me someone that I don't even like. There's
Bear Lake, where the fishes jump. They don't eat top buckets.
You're out there riding away, but is there room on the wave? Don't want a second thought, babe.
Good job.
Finished.
Finished.
I'm all the give, you're the take. There ain't no fixing the break. Nothing left I could say.